So today we're going to work on changing out the hood struts for the BMW Z4. This is the E85 platform. Basically what happened, I was going to put my light, work light for the hood, and realized that it's just no longer can hold anything, so they're going out, need to be changed. Easy job, you can do at home. I'll show you how. So now we're going to go in there and use a little pick like this to get the old hood struts off. And I'm going to take the little pick tool, and there's a clip here. I'll try to show in more detail, and you just pop that clip out. And it's off. This one has the wiring plastic harness attached to it, so we just got to unclip that. So here are the new ones. We'll compare just to make sure. It looks about the same. And we're going to install the new one on each side. And we're just going to snap this into the upper pin. And it's in. Okay, bottom's pinned in. All right, now that we have both points attached, I'm gonna put this back on here. That's it. And we'll do the same on the other side. So would you look at that? Two red Z4s side by side. So as I was doing the front struts on my Z4, Rick brought over his that needs trunk struts replaced. So it's a great video. We'll do both front and back. I'm going to zoom in closer. We'll unbox it and show you how to do it. So here we go. There you go, and some stickers. All right, so now we're going to snap one of the old ones off. And there's the old one. And that one's in. And we're going to repeat on this side. There it goes. One clip gone. They like to fly across the garage all the time. And there's the second one. And I'll put the part numbers for the front struts and the hood, the trunk struts, and the links below. So if you guys need one, you can grab them online. All right, time to test it. I'm going to take my very expensive tripod safety device out. Yeah, I think we got it. It takes longer to film than to do. Time for the other side. And we're going to pop this clip open. And these are still the originals. Wow. Aha! Almost got me. Where's my high dollar tripod? There we go. This thing is worth its weight in gold, which is what, about a penny? Get the bottom one out. And there it is. I'm gonna snap the bottom in and the top. And that's it. All right, so these are the clips that I was talking about. Hopefully that's in focus. There's a little clip right here. And you just need to push out on it or on this corner to release these two little metal clips, or one of them is usually enough, and then just push it out. It's that easy. Same thing on the other side. You see the little protruding edges of the clips. You just need to release pressure from this band, and that's it. To put them back, you don't have to do anything, just push it in. They snap in. All right, now we're going to do the test. This is how I knew they were bad. So I have my work light, and it clips to the hood. So, oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, before it would just fall. So I think we're good. Nice.